Hi, my name is Claude. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your WP memory limit in cPanel. So I installed the Classiads Pro theme, and I discovered that my memory limit is currently on 40. So I'm going to show you how to increase it to 256 in your cPanel. So let me quickly show you the themes that I'm using. I'm using the Classiads Pro theme. It's the world largest marketplace uh, theme. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So in case you like the theme, I'm going to leave a link in the video description so that you can be able to get it from Team Forest. Okay, so quickly, let me take you back to the WordPress dashboard. So I have this WordPress memory limit currently on 40. How to fix it? I'm going to show you this briefly. So I'm going to take you to my hosting cPanel. So currently I'm using the Ionos hosting provider. So I'm going to click on hosting. All right, so next I'm going to click on use web space. All right, next I'm going to click on click and build. All right, so I'm going to select the website that I want to edit. All right, so what I'm going to do next is that on the list of my of the files on this site, I'm going to look for web.config file. All right, so I have it here, web.config.php. So I'm going to click on the action button. So I'm going to click on edit file. All right, so quickly, I'm going to scroll down to where I have Happy Publishing. So just above Happy Publishing, I'm going to paste this code. So I'm going to leave this code in the video description. As what we have done here is to increase WordPress memory limit to 256. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to click on save button. Okay, next I'm going to go back to my WordPress backend. All right, so I'm going to refresh this page. So once I refresh the page, all right, so this error will be fixed. Okay, so I'm going to click on the refresh button. All right, so as you can see, our WP or WordPress memory limit is currently on 256. So guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. And if you like the video, click on the like button and also click on that notification bell. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error that we have here. Okay, PHP maximum execution time is currently set on 30. So the recommended execution time minimum is 180. So I'm going to show you how to fix this, and I'm also going to show you how to fix the PHP maximum input vars. Okay, so it's currently on 1000 and the recommended is 2000. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix this too in my next video. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching.